Section 3.2, Examples 2 and 3. In Example 2, we're going to be changing from exponential form to logarithmic form. So let's remember that log form will look like this. Log base b of x equals y. And to rewrite it in exponential form, that would be b raised to the y power equals x. Okay, using that information, let's take these equations and convert them into logarithmic form. 2 to the 5th power equals x would be rewritten as log base 2 of x equals 5. Next, b to the 3rd equals 27. In logarithmic form would be log base b of 27 equals 3. And finally, e raised to the y power equals 33 in log form would be written as log base e of 33 equals y. Next, we're going to evaluate logarithms in example 3. So first we're going to evaluate log base 10 of 100. Let's say that equals x. So to rewrite that in exponential form would be 10 to the x power equals 100. Well, 10 raised to what power is 100? And you quickly see 10 to the 2nd power equals 100. So x equals 2. Okay, next we have log base 5 of 1 over 25. And let's say, I don't know, that equals w. So to rewrite this in exponential form, wouldn't that be 5 to the w power equals 1 over 125? Well, if you stop and think, 5 to the 3rd power is 125. So this tells you they're actually using a negative exponent, aren't they? This would be rewritten as 5 to the negative 3rd power equals 1 over 125. And you can check that on the calculator if you don't believe me. And so we say that w in this case equals negative 3. Okay, next we've got log base 36 of 6 equals, and let's say, let's use z this time. So if I rewrite this in exponential form, that would be 36 to the z power equals 6. Well, let's see. I know 6 is the square root of 36. So now you're on to something. The square root. What does that look like as an exponent? Wouldn't it be 1/2? 36 to the 1/2 power is 6. And if you don't believe me, you may check that on your calculator. And so we realize that when we evaluate this expression, it equals 1/2. Okay, so the last part of example 3, we have log base 3 of the 7th root of 3. And I don't know, let's say that equals g. So to rewrite this in exponential form, that would be 3 to the g power equals the 7th root of 3. Okay, well, the 7th root of 3, how can we rewrite that in exponential form? Isn't that just 3 to the 1/7 power? Oh, so we have 3 to the g power equals 3 to the 1/7. Well, then it's pretty easy to see that in this case, g equals 1/7.